everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to play today with my Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam black oxide again with some really awesome cells, I hope. So far, it hasn't failed me. There is just nothing like it. So, today what I've got is a gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft. It's a 10 by 10. And I've got a bunch of colors here that I will list in the description box for you. I have my paints mixed with just Floetrol, US Floetrol in the colors, with the Liquitex Gloss Medium, and the black oxide I have mixed with the Australian Floetrol. So, I am going to put on some music and do some painting. Just in case you're wondering, I really get into what I'm doing to the point where I really can't concentrate on talking to you guys too. Sorry about that, but I will be back again at the end of the video to share my thoughts and go from there, okay? So let's paint. So here's the final results. How pretty is this? I'll get up closer here and hopefully you can see some of the shimmer in there. Here's that shimmer. It almost looks like dragon scales right through here. I love this. Those cells are gorgeous. I think it's got just the right amount of, I don't know, doodling. I like it a lot. I hope you do too. Please like and subscribe if you would, please, if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to help support my channel and help it grow. Share it with your friends. And yeah, all that stuff, you know. Comment, and thank you again for supporting me. Really appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. Do something nice for you. And we'll see you next time. Take care. Love ya. Bye.